Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Alright guys, I'm here on behalf of Power Lead System and Easy Profit 100. So we'll talk about Power Lead System real quick. This system is awesome. It's been around for 5 years now, and it was actually created before then as a software company. So it's been around a long time, okay, but 5 years as the Power Lead System, a proven system, a done-for-you system the way to make passive income online, guys. This is for newbies, advanced. It's for everybody. Doesn't matter what level you're at in your niche, you can make money with the Power Lead System, okay? I've only been in it a short period, but I'm making lots of strides. The momentum is high with this thing. And I have, believe it or not, about 800 people already in my funnel. Okay, so I've been as a gold member, I think about a month, but I haven't been a diamond for a month quite yet, or right at a month, and I haven't been a platinum member for a month. But to have 800 people already in my funnel is pretty amazing because their pages convert. That's why. Okay, I've been sending traffic to the pages, and people are opting in like crazy. Okay, so it's going really good. So anyway, this is a program you definitely want to get involved with. They have 2 days of training, live training, where you can get on and actually learn from one of the top trainers in the industry, the Power Lead System. And then with the team I'm on Sunday, we have a kind of like a hangout. Okay, so you can see some results of people actually making money. So you have everything you need to make this business work, guys. We have 2 Facebook groups, the official Power Lead System Facebook group. So a lot of interaction, a lot of live support. Okay, so you're not going to be by yourself in this business. You'll be in your business for yourself, but not by yourself. Okay, so let me show you something real quick. Okay, so to get started with the Power Lead System, of course, they have a lower level called Lead Lightning. It's one time $7. You'll make $6 commissions, but you'll never make any more than that. Okay, that's just a beginner level. But I highly recommend you come in as a gold member. $53.97 every month you're going to pay, but you're going to be a gold member, and you're going to make $20 residual from everybody that joins you as a gold member. Okay. Not to mention the 50% matching bonus. You're going to make 50% off of everyone you bring in the business. Okay, 50%. So if someone comes in and they make $1,000 that month, you're going to make a matching bonus of $500. And just imagine if you have 3, 4, 5, 10 people making that kind of money, you're going to make half, okay, or whatever they're making. All right. Then the other 2 levels that they've added is one-time payment. They have the diamond level. You pay $147 for a product one time, and you make $100 commissions off everyone that comes in as a diamond. Then they have the platinum level, $497 one time, but you can make $400 commissions off of everyone that comes in as a platinum. Then off of the diamond level, you're going to make $25 overrides, guys. Then off of the platinum level, you make $50 overrides. So it's just a lot of accelerated leverage income from this opportunity, and everything is under one umbrella. Okay, so it's a great way to get started online. $53.97 a month. Become gold. Actually, go all in. If you can go all in, it just makes sense. Okay, because if you don't, you're going to lose those sales, and they'll get passed up. Okay, to your sponsor. So, wonderful program. So that's where we are. I'm on one of the sales pages here, but I'm going to flip over real quick just to show you from Friday. I'm making strides. Like I said, I got about 800 people in my downline so far. And I got this email. Let's see. We can get it to come up. Okay, so receive this email. I guess that was Friday. Okay. Diamond members coming in. Okay. So this system works, guys. Okay. All you do is put the information out there, send traffic to your link, your capture page, and it works. Now, Easy Profit 100, I'm actually incorporating Power Lead System with that. Okay, so we incorporate Easy Profit 100, which is our postcard program, So we incorporate Easy Profit 100, which is the postcard program. It's only one time $149 to get started with it, and you're going to make $100 commissions over and over every time someone joins you at Easy Profit 100. Okay, so if you incorporate those two, you have Easy Profit and you have Power Lead System. So I highly recommend you get Power Lead System on the front end, and then you market this program on the back end. Okay, this one's 7 years old. I've been in it for 3 years, and they pay every week $100 commissions. Okay, so all the funnels are already set up, so you don't have to worry about that. In the Power Lead System, they already have the funnels. We have the funnels set up for you for Power Lead System. Let me just show you one of the pages that I let's see here if I can get it to come up. This is one of the pages. Let's see. For Power Lead System for Easy Profit 100. Give it a second to load. Okay. See, this page is already set for you guys. And then once they enter their information, it goes over to a sales page for Easy Profit 100, but it's also going to market the Power Lead System as well. So you're marketing two programs at the same time. So you're doubling your money, but the system is doing that for you because it sends out emails on your behalf, okay? So in essence, you can really make 100 with Easy Profit. Then you can also turn around and make the $20 residuals for Power Lead, as well as the other levels that it has. Okay, so you're doubling your money there. So let me just show you as well. Let's go over. We had a pass up from Easy Profit on Friday that came in. Okay, see right here, guys, that came in on Friday. Alright, so Easy Profit 100 works as well, and you combine the two together and you have a powerful system. Okay, so definitely want to get started with Power Lead System. Go ahead and spend the $53.97, become a gold member, and become diamond. Okay, if you can, or just go all in. It's definitely worth it, and we will definitely show you how to get started. Join our group. I'll link you up to the group. Once you get started, just reach out to me, and we'll get you started as well. What you want to do is get the traffic going. That's what's going to get the traction going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link below, let you guys check it out for yourself, and then give me a call if you have any questions, okay? We'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.